Well, plus, you probably need to eat some more vegetables, and certainly plants help out with that. We got VeganPopEats joining us live. Angela Yvonne with us today. Simple, delicious recipes to swap out in your diet. We're going to get into it in just a moment. She's got some products for us. All that coming up after the break. Stay with us.
We're just over here talking, getting to know our guest.
Yeah.
We're so excited she's here. Here now to talk about this new vegan option that's for the local community.
Yeah, we're glad to have you with us. And I know that this has been something that you've been working on very, very passionately. And thank you for being with us to share some options of how we can not only just focus on our plate, but also the things we put on our skin and in our body.
And Angela, you're the host of if you don't want to give up the turkey leg, you can start by veganizing your skincare and your makeup. What about the neck bones?
You know what? You can give up, even if you don't want to give up the neck bone, you can start here, because I want people to understand, first of all, I think veganism needs a new PR person, because people think that it's so overwhelming. People think that it's expensive, but it is not. And it's important to people to know that health is your only currency. It's your only currency. So if you don't have that in check, what you gonna do?
All right.
What are you going to do?
I hear it. Well, you've got some products for us.
Yes.
Let's start with an entry-level product. Even if Marissa wants to keep that neck bone on the plate.
Even if she wants to keep the neck bone.
What can she get from all of this?
Well, my all-time favorite brand is Folk Beauty. And what I really enjoy about Folk Beauty is the founder's name is Nyambi, and she is really intentional about how she sources the ingredients.
You're talking about these products right
yes.
Are these lotions? Can I try any of it?
Yes. This is the glow water.
Okay.
This is what you can spray over your makeup. Hold on. You can spray over your makeup. It refreshes everything. It is fantastic.
What's it smell like?
Roses.
Yes, rose hip, all of those types of things. This is the cleanser. This is the Glow Replenish cleanser. And when I tell you, once you use this, you probably don't even need a moisturizer after that.
You're not saying I need all of these.
You don't need all these. You don't need all
I want you
these.
to have the best of the best.
What's so great about this is that she is really intentional for melanin skin.
Yeah,
it's for everybody, but our skin is different than, everyone else's. And she's really intentional with how she sources things from the Appalachian Mountains all the way down to her hometown of Kentucky. And when I say once you put these on your skin, you will become a folk girl.
Yeah.
You will become
a folk girl.
Or that girl.
What are the food options here?
Well, this right here is, when I became vegan, seafood was the hardest thing for me to give up. So I used to love tuna fish sandwiches, but you can make tuna from chickpeas.
Well, wait a second. Now,
Yes.
I see where you're going.
What kind of sorcery is this?
Yes.
I see where you're going. So you replace it with chickpeas, and you're thinking that you don't have to necessarily replace the bread either.
You don't have to replace the bread, but the meat aspect of the sandwich you can replace with chickpeas. And what people don't understand, the only reason why you eat meat is because of the plants that are on top of it. Because if you didn't have the plants, would you eat the meat raw?
Yeah. Well.
Raw?
Cooked.
Yeah,
maybe.
cooked.
But you have to
itself.
manipulate it. You have to manipulate it so much. But with this, you can still have the feeling of the tuna fish sandwich, the
a little raw
texture,
a little raw.
everything.
My tuna would be not too bad.
The first tip that I always tell people, you just veganize what you're used to. Like, if you love mac and cheese, you can veganize mac and cheese, because we have phenomenal vegan cheeses that will cross you over to the green side.
You're selling it.
Guaranteed.
She's that new spokesperson. She's saying that veganism needs.
Other products on the list, right?
Yes. Youth to the People is one of my favorite brands aside from Folk Beauty, because they combine superfoods and science. And what people need to also know, your skin is your largest organ. So you need to nourish your skin like you would nourish your body.
Angela, thank you so much. Where can people go to stay connected to you and get this great information?
VeganPopEats.com. You can see me on YouTube. You can see me on TikTok. You can see me on Twitter. You can see me on Instagram.
Beautiful skin like this. We want to see you. Wherever you are. Thanks for coming in and giving us some great recommendations. We appreciate it. We'll be right back.